Remotive Online Job Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Remotive, a popular online job platform focused exclusively on remote work opportunities. If you're interested in checking it out, I've added links in the description below. Remotive is a well-established platform designed for professionals looking for high-quality remote jobs in fields like software development, marketing, design, sales, and customer support. Unlike general job boards, Remotive curates its job listings, ensuring that only legitimate and verified remote positions are posted. This helps job seekers avoid scams and low-quality gigs that are common on less selective platforms. One of the biggest advantages of Remotive is its user-friendly interface and clean job categorization. Jobs are grouped into specific industries, making it easy to find relevant opportunities without unnecessary filtering. You can also search by company name or job title, which speeds up the process if you already have a target employer in mind. Another standout feature is that Remotive is not just a job board, it's also a community. The platform offers valuable resources, including remote work guides, productivity tips, and salary insights. It also has a strong presence in the remote workspace with an active newsletter that keeps job seekers informed about new openings and industry trends. While Remotive offers free job listings, it also has a paid job board for employers, which means that many of the companies posting jobs here are serious about hiring top remote talent. Unlike some job platforms that charge job seekers, Remotive is completely free for applicants, making it an excellent option for those who don't want to pay for premium job access. However, one limitation is that Remotive doesn't have an application tracking system, meaning you'll often be redirected to company websites to apply. This isn't a major downside, but it's something to keep in mind. Overall, Remotive is one of the best platforms for finding remote work, thanks to its curated job listings, active community, and helpful resources. If you're looking for high-quality remote jobs from reputable companies, definitely check it out using the link in the description.